In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members to HubSpot. If you're the person responsible for managing access in your HubSpot account, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to add new teammates, choose the right access for them, and send the invitations with confidence. Make sure you're logged in with the appropriate admin permissions, and if your account uses seats-based pricing, have an idea of which seats you plan to assign. Start by heading to your account settings. Look for the settings gear icon in the top navigation bar of your HubSpot account and click it. This takes you to the main settings area where all user management happens. In the left sidebar, open Account Setup, then select Users and Teams. This is the hub for creating users, adjusting permissions, and keeping your team organized as you grow. To begin adding people, click the Create User button in the top right corner. This opens the flow where you can add one or many users at once. You'll now add email addresses. For a small number of people, enter their work email addresses manually, double-checking for typos. If you're onboarding a larger group, upload a CSV file that includes a single column of email addresses. Make sure the addresses are valid and formatted consistently to avoid invite errors. Next, choose access levels. If your account uses seats-based pricing, assign the appropriate seat such as Core, Sales Hub, or Service Hub. Pick the seat that matches the tools this person will actively use. This helps control costs and ensures the right features are available to the right people. Then set permissions. You can start from a template like Sales Manager to apply a common set of permissions instantly. If you already have a user with the exact access you want, copy permissions from that existing user to stay consistent. Or build permissions from scratch by toggling the specific access needed across CRM, marketing, and sales tools. A good rule of thumb is to grant only what's necessary now. You can always expand access later. When you're ready, click Next to review. Take a moment to confirm the assigned seat and permissions, making sure nothing critical is missing and nothing unnecessary is included. When everything looks right, click Send to deliver the invitations. Your teammates will receive an email from HubSpot with a link to join. Let them know to check their inbox and spam folders. That's it. Your users are on their way into HubSpot with the correct access from day one.